Okay guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to replace the laptop screen in the Lenovo V110-15ISK. Now what you're going to need for this video is obviously your Lenovo V110, a number 0 Phillips head screwdriver, and a replacement laptop screen from laptopscreen.com. So to do this, what we need to do is we need to open up the laptop. Pro tip is to have something under this surface here so that it doesn't get scratched. And what you want to do is you want to pull off this bezel. Now the first time you do this it may be a little bit stiff, but that's fine. You just run your fingers gently around the outside and you'll see that it pops off relatively quickly. Remove that off to the side and you take your number 0 Phillips head and you replace these, or pull out these 4 screws. Once you've pulled out the 4 screws, the screen's now ready to come out. Now you'll notice here that you've got the monitor cable, which you'll just need to ease out of the little channel that it's in, and then you can get your screen and lift it up and over. You'll notice here that you've got a little bit of tape. Basically lift up, grab the back of the cable and pull it out. You can then set aside your screen and ready to fit the other one. And this is basically just in reverse. You gently connect this cable, make sure that everything lines up, and place down the sticky tab again so it's pulling the cable that way. Flip it back over, line it up into its screw holes, and then you just want to push your laptop monitor cable back down into these grooves. Once you've done that, you're just placing these screws back. And that's it. You're pretty much ready to go. What you'd probably want to do is turn on the laptop, make sure that it starts up and that the screen actually displays something. You can see here that it does. You'll notice there's some little marking here. Laptopscreen.com put a protective film over it to protect it in transit. So just grab this little tab down in the corner and lift him off. And that's it. Bezel goes back on and you just gently squeeze it down until you hear it click. And once it clicks, you know that it is fixed. All done. You can turn it around, have a look at the back here. If anything's not going to come down or clip to it, usually it's these ones. Close it and make sure that everything's good. And you'll see there's a little bit of a bump. So we just open it up again and make sure that that's fully pressed down, which it now is. Alright, thank you very much.